my god!
Why is it all of the
I'm
same
so
image?
excited!
Damn, this reminds me of the Mexican thing we played where we were like dancing and stuff and like
Oh! You know,
ten
this
tall
kind of reminds
women.
me of FNF, but this could work too.
Uh,
You have to go.
Oh wait, all of us should sit together.
You need to shut up. You actually let me go here.
Hey, do you mind?
Oh no!
Oh my god!
I'm out of here.
Why do I climb stuff like that?
Oh my god.
I think it's too
Hey, do you mind? Do you mind, pal?
I
I'm the one lagging.
I'm safe down here.
Are you really though?
Yeah, I'm safe.
How about you pick up?
Y'all can see me from a mile away.
Oh wait, I'm fine. Come find me, guys.
What are you doing down here?
So I kind of fell into the water, but I'm okay.
Stop!
Damn!
I don't play with this stuff.
Keep rolling. What the fuck is this? I was even this like that. Oh! Look at me, look at me.
Are you looking?
Nice everything. Stop rubbing against me, faggot.
Wow.
Whoa, why are we calling people that?
I'm not calling anyone anything.
Oh my god, I'm huge. I'm fucking huge.
Tell me something I don't know.
Wow.
That's so mean. What the fuck
I'm
is wrong with you, boy?
huge.
Oh,
Look at how big and fat I am.
Oh, I like you here. You need. That's still body back.
It's ladder! Oh, ladder!
But it wasn't.
What up,
I need to take you out. That's still body back in the schoolhouse with a body. Body come
Oh, I feel like I'm in my second town life. I'm out of here.
Joke's over! Joke's over! Where are you guys?
You guys might want to get out of there. I don't know about you guys.
The school's burning down!
Where are you guys?
Outside?
Where?
We're outside.
Don't worry, I'll come
It's
save
I'm
you.
in the burning building!
kind of fire. There's a fire in here. I don't know how to tell you this.
Yeah, you're gonna die in the fire. TM.
Oh,
Hope you die in a
this is
fire.
one nice looking pole.
Y'all stay safe.
No, you're not gonna stay safe. You're fucking burning me to the ground right now, so.
No, I'm outside.
Oh, me too.
Loser.
Hey, Haven, are you outside?
Yeah, I am.
No, we're both inside actually.
Okay, great. You get me?
I can't see you! Stop hiding.
Wait, can I roll under this? Can I roll under this? Wait.
Wait, I can. Wait.
Damn, fat
No,
ass.
wait, watch the pro do it. Watch the pro do it.
Girl, I'm gonna be so honest.
I
You
got
probably
this.
gave it for that.
Why can't you roll?
Girl, I'm bored. Let's go
can't even
roll
roll.
under the boulder. Yo.
Girl, I'm bored. Let's go to the
Girl, I'm bored. This scares me right now.
Oh! Did you see that?
Yes! Ow,
Oh
get
my
down.
god. Body
Whatever.
tea.
I really don't
Hashtag.
even care.
Body
Diet.
literally tea. Body literally tea.
Dude, I'm
Hashtag
too
body
fat for
literally.
it.
Do I
I'm
have to
too
Wait,
fat.
I
Oh my
saw
god.
I saw some potential. I saw some.
Doing
You're
fantastic.
out of my way. I was like trying to roll over it and fucking Haven wouldn't get the fuck out of my way. Wait, we're a happy family again. We're reunited.
Aww, that's cute. Baldi's gas station. Almost
Looks like
public
the whole
library.
What? You stop dragging me around.
Bro. I'm gonna drag you by the feet. I'm gonna drag up the cliff actually, so.
Damn, I'm cunty.
Ew. Gymnastics. Ew, where are we? Ooh. Bro, okay.
Oh, shoot.
Why'd you start clinging to the roof?
What do you mean?
You? Why are you Spider-Man dripping onto the roof? Yeah.
I'm
Hey,
hidden.
stop.
I'm hidden. What? Help me! Help me! Oh God, help me!
My head feels like it's gonna explode. You stay safe. You stay safe. Yo, you stay safe.
Help me, God.
Why'd you just start thinking
Help
about
me,
it?
save me.
Help me, I am dying. Please save me.
Help me!
My head feels like it's gonna
I'm
explode.
under all the rebels from fighting
Beep.
me. Wait, my head's
I
sticking
got
out.
you.
Neuron activated.
Help me!
Dude, I died trying to save you.
I'll save you. Oh, I'm trying my best here.
How am I still at 100 HP?
Great job.
What the fuck?
That's right.
Okay,
What the
so
fuck?
I survived. What? And I was
Where'd you
heading
go?
to the
Oh,
roof.
why?
No. Help us remember us. Oh,
Beep.
what's this one?
Neuron activated.
Help us remember.
Bro.
Anyway, what happened?
Excuse me. Hey, excuse me.
Alright. Okay, he's excited!
Hi.
He's excited! We're going home! Come on!
We're going home. We're going back to the OG Baldi's basics.
We're going back to the OG Boston Station. Get the fuck out of
No
my
fucking way.
Get out of Can I drive this time?
Okay.
Can I drive this time?
Yo.
I don't really trust making the last
I don't know. Let's take off soon, I think.
Haven, I swear to
It's
God.
not even working.
God, you're not. Go!
Can I help you?
Hey.
Hey.
Do you mind?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Why am I stuck in this position?
You like? I don't really know.
You poop.
And black out.
Oh my God! Wow!
We're going home.
We're coming out, boys. We're going home back to the
What?
Archie basic.
Why are you still alive?
I'm still alive.
I still feel alive. Stuck in the moment.
you mind-
I still feel alive. Oh, do you mind?
Ow!
Ew.
Can we stop?
We're going to summer school, boys.
Yes. Me and the boys used to pray for summer school.
I remember when I was in summer school, we had to bake cupcakes, and they came out really underbaked, and I think I got food poisoning from them. Oh my!
Alright, boys, where we dropping?
Come on, boys.
Can you excuse me?
Excuse me.
Let's get up here.
Why do
get up here.
stuff like that?
Do you guys mind?
Oh shit!
Excuse me now.
Excuse me.
Lady!
Excuse me. Oh wait, I can just climb the other one.
Why am I like dissipating from reality?
Uh-oh.
Oh my god! What's wrong with me? I can't! I'm disappearing! Do you guys see this, please?
I'm on 17 HP. I can't come down, or else I'm gonna accidentally kill myself. Can I?
No, you can't help me, yo!
Why do I? The last man standing. You got this.
Oh, that's the last
got
person.
this.
Oh, that's fucked up. Okay.
Oh no!
Wow.
Wow!
I'm really uncomfortable right now. Oh. You okay? I would get on that chair for when meteors
Nice sunny day.
coming to Earth, but I also still have to touch them in the terrible Help me! Help me! Help us remember us!
Help us,
Help
remember
us.
us.
Help us remember us.
I might remember myself. Ooh. You made it!
Again? Is anyone proud of me?
No. I am.
Whatever. Really?
Yeah. Sam!
Thank you.
Where are you?
What?
Are you in the shop right now, you fat fuck?
No. A little.
Let's go to the education bar.
What the? Help! Oh.
You okay?
Yum.
Hop off. What's up? Do I look fire?
No.
Okay!
Spy, you look spy.
I'm probably not trying to move.
Guys, I think it's the leak one. We gotta get up here.
Wait, I got this. One. Oh! Oh shit! I'm up here.
1, 2, oops, you messed up.
Let's try again. I think ragdolling stops the penis before we put that out.
Okay.
Can you guys move? You guys are so fast.
Yo, lady!
Climb up high and race for impact.
Y'all stay safe. You guys can.
You guys need to stop! Wait, where is the other one?
Y'all stay fish.
Please, sir.
Hey.
Get out of daddy.
I don't make no alarm. Shit.
Oh. Oh no! Uh-oh.
Sorry about that.
No, please.
I don't know what that was.
I'm okay. Oh, I'm crunchy. If you push me,
Knock you off.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
now whose fault is that?
Guy trying to steal batteries.
No, that's all your fault. So.
No.
Yeah.
Say things.
7.
Really?
7.
Boy.
Ew.
Whoever was making Baldy say 6'7" while I was getting yelled at my sister, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you.
Yo, that was not me.
That was you, actually.
That was not me. Stop. That was not me. On my life, I'm on.
That was not me,
Dr.
actually.
Sloman.
No. I'm gonna kill you. I've been recording for 17 minutes, by the way. Did you guys
Oh
know
my
that?
god.
Oh my god.
Golden Baldy.
Baldwin Baldy?
Golden Baldy.
Oh.
No! How am I at 60 health? Is it because I like died?
Oh my god, the 10!
Not Baldy, that's Travis. Help me.
Does this count as being inside? Oh no, no.
I'm reaching for Travis. I'm reaching.
Wait, I need to test if I can kill myself. Oh, straight!
What?
Let me look at chat. Why? Wait, what command is that? What command is that? Please tell me.
I'm gatekeeping.
You tell me.
It's slash E
virtual.
freaking virtual, yeah.
Virtual insanity and I'm into. Oh shit. How can you move? Well,
I don't know. It just does that.
how come you guys can move while I can't? Virtual.
Do you mind? Messed up.
Hey, Val, do you mind?
You're messing up our circle.
Me?
I'm talking about this one right here.
Yeah, you're messing up our circle, boy.
The one that no one invited.
You're
Wow.
wearing your SMT body, boy. Okay.
Yo, you weren't even invited to begin with. Okay. You just hopped in.
Me?
No, wait, which one's talking?
The big booty, everyone's favorite.
I'm talking about you.
Okay.
Hopped in and ruined everything.
Don't
Wait, me
say.
too, wait.